let's check out Blaze Steak and Seafood.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Mika. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Guys, I decided to check out Blaze Steak and Seafood by Candy and Todd. It was been on my list for a while, so I decided to go check it out during the week. I went on a Wednesday, got there when they opened. The menu was a little bit limited. They had happy hour. We had to ask about the happy hour special, so make sure you do that. I got the calamari. I thought it was pretty good. My friend got the chicken wings. It was good, and I really liked the breading. Of course, we had shots. Also, they have hookah available, and they have happy hour prices. I decided to get the seafood pasta. It was so delicious, and my friend got the pork chop with rice and greens. They do have happy hour pictures. Definitely a vibe. Check it out.